Hey, my name is Paul. I'm the one in charge of Great Plains Foundation in terms of tree planting. We have an initiative by the name Conservation Roots, whereby we plant thousands and thousands of trees. We totally do with the indigenous. We do our own propagation. We just do collect the seeds from the mother trees. We have one central tree nursery, whereby we have all the species, more than 40 species. We do donate the trees to the local community and the schools, churches. I visit the schools to educate the young children about the importance of trees and how they can plant them and how they can take care of them. Our initiative started in 2019. We have already planted about 63,000 trees since we started the Conservation Roots.
Conservation Roots did it best. Planting trees reduce soil erosion around the riverbanks. It's also a home for wildlife, and their food is from trees.
The giraffes rely on this in terms of food. These are their favorites.
For people here living in the Mara, like the Maasai, we do love trees.
And I love the trees. These are my babies.
It is also act as a medicinal factor in our country.
It has a medicinal power. So the local people used to use this one for the toothache.
We have trees that we do, we practice ceremonial activities using.
In some parts of Kenya, some community used to use this tree as a sacred area for worshiping.
Conservation Roots do is a beautiful thing to have here down in the Mara in Kenya.